I chose ENST because I wanted to learn by doing, getting outside, working with real data, and solving real problems.
But what really shapes our experience isn't just the classes. It's the spaces we work in, the equipment we use, and the opportunities we have outside the classroom.
Between labs, classes, and fieldwork, we spend a lot of time here. Having a welcoming space to study, meet with classmates, or just reset makes a huge difference. A reimagined ENST Student Commons would give us a place to collaborate, build community, and support each other day to day.
So much of what we do happens in the field, or through team experiences, like soil judging.
Display cabinets would help showcase our work and achievements, and remind us that what we're learning really matters.
Using the right tools matters. When we work with modern equipment, we're better prepared for internships, research, and jobs after graduation.
That's especially true for our senior integrated projects, where we put everything we've learned into practice.
Supporting these priorities means supporting students, right where it makes the biggest difference.
Thank you for helping reimagine the ENST student experience.